Welcome to day 8 on my Camino del Norte, the day that I start feeling totally miserable and cold after such an unpleasant albergue experience and dreaming of a hotel stay. Let's see how I recover and where I end up tonight. It's day 8 and it's the first day on my Camino that I start before sunrise. I'm not gonna lie, I can't be happier to leave this albergue and just get going. It's 9:23. I have walked 6 kilometers. I didn't have breakfast yet. Super tired. Well, no energy because I didn't eat yet. And I feel like I'm hydrated. Also a little bit wet still from yesterday. Yesterday was a crazy day of pouring rain, and the shoes are not 100% dry. The clothes is not 100% dry. Anyways, the hostel that we stayed at was not the best experience ever. It had nice ratings on the Buen Camino app. I don't understand why. The hostel is run by like an old man, very grumpy old man, who was like giving orders to us. It's like, felt like an army. Had so many rules. You can't put this here, you can't do that, you can't do Anyways, that was the first time that I had to use my sleeping bag because we were not given blankets. There was no food. It was in the middle of nowhere, literally in the middle of nowhere. And I had dinner, but I didn't have any breakfast. The views are, as always, beautiful. Puddles. Walking through puddles from yesterday because it was crazy. So, everything opens very late in Spain, and we are far from the civilization, so walking towards closest breakfast. Made my way through the puddle. All right, today should be a better day. No, yesterday was beautiful, just the ending was not exactly what you would like to have after walking in the rain for the whole day. It's not exactly the place you would like to be. That's it. Today everybody's heading to La Isla, but I don't like to follow the crowd, so I'm planning to walk a little further, which is 27 kilometers to Colunya. Spoiler alert, my day is not gonna go the way I had planned. This is where I'm supposed to go, but I'm gonna make a little detour and go see the coast. I decided to do a little detour. I went off the trail, so I want to get to the coast. Apparently there is something nice view or something. And there's also a hiking area for locals. So right now I'm off the trail. The mountains in the back are giving me power and energy. Oh, I need coffee. And as always, taking a little detour is always very rewarding. Just look at these views. So, like I said, I like to walk off stages. I guess just to make it my Camino, that's first, personalize it. And second, I choose my destination for the day based on the albergues. So this is how I plan my day. I know that I would like to walk something between 15 and 30 kilometers. So I open No Camino app and look at all the villages and towns in that range. I look at all the albergues available. I would read all the reviews, see how clean the place is, if there is a kitchen, a hangout area, and if they provide bed sheets, because I don't really like to use my sleeping bag, to be honest.
Explore the world in your way. Create memories that you won't forget. You only live once, so don't waste your time. Please don't waste your time.
It's 10:40 a.m. and I'm approaching Ribadesella. It looks so cute from the start. No Camino. First things first, I find a little cafe to have breakfast. It's Friday. The cafe is full of locals. They're all so stylish and they're talking to each other. I'm just so charmed by the vibe and the atmosphere. I love it. Next stop is the post office. I ship my shoes back home and then I just walk around the town. It's the combination of the views and the weather. I just totally and immediately fall in love with this town and I really would like to spend the night here. So I start looking for a hotel. I managed to find one and I just got an idea to message my Camino friend Pineres, who is a little bit behind, if she by any chance would like to split a hotel room with me and stay here for the night. And she says yes. So I am just having some coffee while waiting for her. Then I take a shower and just enjoy the beach. You can imagine how happy I am to be able to dip my feet in the cold water after 2.5 years of not traveling. And then my friend arrives and we basically spend the evening walking around looking for a restaurant to have dinner. Everything is closed until 8:30, but we managed to find a very nice pizza place. So we have an amazing dinner, amazing night, an amazing time. Thank you, Ribadesella.